Guys, welcome back to the channel, Air Guns for Airheads. Please, guys, consider smashing the like and subscribe button so we continue to stay in the algorithm and make these cool videos with all our love and passion that we all share for air guns, launchers, and airsofts and all that good stuff. All right, guys. Well, happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. We got a new package today, guys. So let's unbox this together and see what it's about. Here we go, cutting it open. Well, I hope everybody had a good week, and everybody made some money and is safe and peaceful, and just sitting back enjoying our videos that we're making. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. All right, so you guys are probably going to be like, Rob, what the heck did you do? You said no. But I'll show you guys and I'll explain. Oh, come on, Robert. What did you do? Another bullshit Crosman after all the bad luck with the other two CAK1s and the R1. And now you did another Crosman, Robert. You did another Crosman. Well, guys, I will explain to you why I purchased this Crosman. Besides that, it does look cool as shit. All right, guys. So, why I reneged and purchased this Crosman rifle. Oh, hold on, guys. There you are. I will break down and tell you exactly why I ordered this Crosman rifle, guys. And it's simple. This one is a pump action. There is no CO2 to go bad, no bad magazine, none of that. It does not have a CO2, guys. So therefore, I felt like this was a great option buy on a rifle that looks that cool, guys. It looks that cool. It is literally a pump action, guys. There is no CO2 to leak. There is no CO2 in the magazine to just waste all the air. None of that, guys. This is just straight pump action. You pump it to fill it up with air and you pull the trigger. So, guys, I thought this was a decent buy because of that. So I hope everybody forgives me because I did talk a lot of shit about how I will not buy another Crosman product because they are garbage. And I will clarify that right now, guys. I will never buy another Crosman CO2 or green gas powered, if they make one, pistol, rifle, or anything. I will not do that. So I do set the record straight there, guys, that this is a different story because the Crosman rifles absolutely look awesome. They look so incredibly awesome, but they're garbage. This one is a pump action. There's no CO2 to go bad. So therefore, there should be zero complaints with this rifle, this unit. And let's hope that I'm right. Because if for some reason I try to hand pump this thing up and it leaks air, I'm going to be fucking pissed. I'm going to be pissed, guys. I'm going to be pissed. So let's set you up here in the front so you can see a little bit better. Hopefully the phone don't fall over. All right, guys. So we're opening this air pump rifle, or hand pump, I should say, rifle, because you hand pump this thing. And this thing is really cool looking, guys. Really cool. Okay, so what comes with this rifle is literally the rifle. Looks like there's definitely a magazine in here, or a holder. And then it looks like the top sights that go on here. We will not be using these, guys. We took the big laser sight and the fiber optic, the optic red dot sight off of the Cybergun Tanfoglio, and we're going to put it on this one because there's no reason to buy another scope for this one. We have scopes for the other ones, and we do have our cool flashlight that we will mount on this also. And so let's see what this is about, guys. This thing is really cool looking, guys. Really cool looking. And you can adjust the buttstock on this. And from what I saw, this right here is how you pump the gun. I guess this pulls down somehow. Yep, the whole thing pulls down and extend it all the way, and you just pump it. Now, from what I heard, up to 10 pumps only. You don't want to over pump it. You don't want to over pump it, guys. And let's see. Let's see what we're missing here. Okay, so we got that there. We got that there. We got this back. Oh. I think we want to, do we want to pull that? Did we pull that already? Is that just a fake thing? And this is the real one? I don't know. Nothing's happening. I don't know if I have it on safety or not. This does not pull, that's for show. This comes back and then forward. This comes down or no? No. Okay. So maybe it just won't fire because maybe it just won't fire because we don't have any BBs in there yet. Oh, wait. There it is, guys. Okay. So there's a little safety button right there. You push it from the left side of the gun, and you'll see it pop out over here. That's the safety. It won't pull. Push it in, and it releases. And then you can pull it after you charge it, and then booyah. All right. Now there's a way to get this magazine out. That's perfect. It's right there. These two little, or this one anyway, it's on the inside next to the trigger. It'll pop in right there, the two of them. You just compress them both and it pulls right out. Now, this isn't a real magazine from what I've heard. This is some sort of storage or something. On the driver's side, the left side of the weapon, let me see how this goes back in. Give me a second. Do I have this right? Or does it go this way? I'm a little confused. Let's see. Yeah, it goes that way, locks in. Okay, so on the left side of the rifle, there's a little hole right here. That's where you fill it with BBs. And I think it said it holds up to like 300 BBs, guys. Let me grab my BBs. Hold on. I have a whole thing up here. Yep, I got a whole thing of BBs up here, guys. We got a whole thing. So before we even do all that, let's see what we're gonna do with this optic sight here. We gotta find all our Allen keys, get them out of here. They're all just loaded in here. Throw them all in this container. I don't know which ones are what. Let's pull them all out. Because we may need them all. Okay. This might be the one we need. Let's see. It is. All right, guys. So let's see if we can get this on there. It should be good right there. Let's tighten this up. Scope looks good on this. The optic looks good on this gun. Yeah, that fits perfect. This is a big optic, guys. This is a really pretty decent size optic, so I kind of like that rather than the scope. Although the scope I have comes with, I got the same scope on the Sig Sauer and on the Mission 4. It's the big scope, and it has the laser and the optic. This one does not have the big scope, and that big scope is pretty cool looking. But this optic is still really nice. It looks really nice. And my cat is moving the box. Yeah, this optic is really nice with this laser, for sure. Okay, and then we do have a small Picatinny rail up front. We could mount the flashlight to. So let's mount the flashlight. Well, let's see. Can we mount it here? Let's see. Yeah, we can mount it up here. That'll work. Yeah, we can mount it right up here. That'll be perfect, I think. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that should work. That should actually work pretty good. All right, let's see what size Allen key we need to release this. Found it. Okay, let's loosen this up. Let's loosen this one up. I think that's good or no? Let's see. Oh no, guys, no. That's something different. That is not for the weapon mounting. That's for something else. This takes a flathead, so bear with me, guys. Let me grab my flathead. This is right here. All right, guys, we got the flathead right here. And all we do is loosen this up. That should loosen. Yep, that should loosen that. And we should be able to peel that apart, mount that on there. If I loosened it enough, let's see. Maybe not. Might have a little bit more to go. All right, that might do it, guys. Let's see. Sometimes these things are tough to get on, guys. Oh, I think I might have got it. Okay, we got it, guys. We're on. But, you know what I just thought, guys? We could mount our foregrip. We can mount our foregrip to that Picatinny rail. Let's get our flashlight all the way up front. We got the foregrip in the basement. We were going to try to rig to the Sig Sauer, and I never got around to that. So why rig it to the Sig Sauer when we could get the foregrip mounted to this one perfectly on the Picatinny rail? Yeah, that's not bad, guys. So we're good there. We got the flashlight here. We'll put our foregrip right here on this lower Picatinny rail so we can hold the weapon, and we got the scope here. I'm going to put you on hold, go down and get the foregrip. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I went downstairs and I grabbed the foregrip. So let's get this thing situated. Daddy's busy right now, Boogies.
Can we go?
Not right now. You gotta give me time. No, you gotta give me time, baby. Daddy's doing something. I'm making a video right now with this. You gotta give me a minute. Go downstairs with mommy.
But I'm bored and she's reading on her phone.
I love you. But Daddy's making a video. Okay, go outside right now. I'll be down in a little bit. Okay? Go. Love you. Go ahead. Go. I'll be down a little bit though.
Well, you let me in your video.
I know.
Why not this one?
Alright guys, let's see here. We want this in the front. Yeah, that'll work good all the way up front. So let's turn this upside down, guys. Let's put this on the Picatinny rail on this side. Let's see if we could hold it in place and get these screws going. Yep, we got it, guys. We got it. All right, guys, we got it. We got it. We got to go over the specs on this too, guys. We just got carried away real quick opening this up and the excitement of it. But we got to go over the specs. I heard some really good things about this thing. That it fires some really decent feet per second on this, depending on how much you pump it. This thing is not heavy at all, guys. Not at all. It would be much heavier with the scope. All right, guys, so let's see here. I heard some really good things about this. Let's flip you around. And let's see what we got going on. Okay. So, this is the veritable pump. It's the .177 caliber steel BB. You guys already know that's a 4.5 BB reservoir capacity. 350, guys. It'll hold 350 BBs in there. It's a single shot, though. That's the only bad news. Rifle steel, sights, and safety. Okay. Here we go, guys. There it is. That's the beauty we were looking for right there. Up to 700 feet per second, guys. This is the preferred, let's see, preferred for plinking, backyard fun, and critter control up to 700 feet per second. This is up to 660 feet per second. BBs. Okay, so alloy pellets and the BBs will go up to 660 feet per second. 3 pumps get you up to 400 feet per second. 6 pumps up to 550 feet per second. And 10 pumps up to 750 feet per second. Guys, that's pretty incredible. This thing looks awesome. It definitely looks awesome, but it looks even cooler now. It looks even cooler now with the way it's set up. So that's dope, guys. Definitely pretty dope. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what we got here. There it is. Cool. So we got everything situated. We're on. We can put all our Allen keys away. We can put all our other stuff away. We don't need any of this, but we will save it. I guess we'll put it in the box. All right, guys. So this is called the Crosman M4-177. The M4-177 from Crosman. That's the name of this thing. All right. This is we can put away there. All right, guys. Give me a minute. We're gonna put all this stuff away. This is garbage. That's garbage. Give me 1 second. That can go there. That can go here. This is the flashlight box. That'll go downstairs with us. That'll go downstairs. This is garbage. So let's test out filling up Let's test filling up these BBs in here. See what kind of mess we can make. See what kind of mess we can make, guys. Not bad. They all seem to be falling in the hole pretty good. They're all falling in the hole pretty good. Nothing fell out yet. One did now. Oh, well, there goes like 5 of them now. I don't know where that one went. On the ground somewhere. There it is. Okay. Well, now we're definitely missing. There we go. Now we got it, guys. A bunch on the ground. It does have a little lever back here, guys, to close, so this way the BBs don't just fly out everywhere, which is cool, I think. Yes. Yeah, there's a little lever there, guys, so the BBs don't just fly out everywhere after you fill it up. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's see, guys. That might be... No, there's still room for more. Wow, guys, this holds a lot of BBs, even though it's only one shot at a time. It'll definitely let you put that 350 BBs in there, that's for sure. That's for sure. Well, just dropped a whole bunch. But that's okay, we're used to it. We're used to it, guys. We're used to it. Yeah, that's what they said. Put your BBs in and shake it around. And your BBs will all fall into place. And I think that's enough, guys. That's good enough. Shake it around. That's good enough, guys. All right. So you know what we got to do next, guys. We got to put yous on hold. And we got to go downstairs on the chronograph and pump this thing 10 times. And see our feet per second. All right, hold on, guys. I'm going to put you on hold. We're going downstairs. We'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. We're downstairs. Let's get some light. Let's add all our boxes to our collection. I'm going to add all our boxes to our collection. Got here. Put this one up top. Fantastic. Let's get a new target set up too, guys, because the other one is beat up. Okay. Let's grab our chronograph, guys. Let's get this powered up. Feet per second. Get that pulled out here. All right, guys. Let's give it a shot, see what we get on this thing. This thing will be pumping and pumping and pumping. But man, does this thing look pretty cool, guys. This thing looks pretty cool. All right, I'm going to get you set up over here. As always, let's get you guys right here. I can see the chronograph. And let's go grab the rifle. All right. Now, clearly none of my sights are lined in, guys, but let's see what we get here. We need to get 10 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, we got 10 pumps on that. Let's get a BB loaded up in there. Our safety is off. Let's turn on our laser and see what we get. Let's see. You got a good view of that, guys? Almost. Let's see. I'll back you up a little bit. Maybe you got a better view. There we go. And yeah, the chronograph is in there. All right, guys, let's see what we get out of this on 10 pumps. 10 pumps. Let's see, here we go. Center mass. Nothing. Good old Crosman. We're not getting anything out of it, guys. Nothing. Guys, good old Crosman. Nothing is coming out. Let me see. Nothing coming out, guys. Nothing. Nothing, guys. Nothing is coming out. Load BBs only. That's what we did. Good old Crosman, guys. Not one BB shot out. Not one. Well, guys, we pumped. We tried to fire several times.